Fast and the Furious, 6, or is it 4 or 8? Did they make number? I'm just being facetious. Stupid. This is no movie that I will recommend or ever see. Indeed, I've not even seen it, but I feel comfortable in giving you my opinion. Nonsensical as it is. Okay, let's agree on that. We had some comment yesterday after a long time from Asia. Something like a nice channel. Don't you agree, host? Perhaps it's like a reply. She was mocking me because I may have said in that video also that this is not something you should watch. It's a mistake. At this stage, we're improving. We're applying the principle of 10,000 hours of practice over a period of 10 years. You find it in the iconic, glorious Outliers, Malcolm Gladwell, wherein he says that if you practice exercise, depending on what you do with athletes, musicians, 3 hours every day for 10 years, that's 10,000 hours. You will reach a good level, assuming that there's a book about this which you should read if you're interested. So it's not like, okay, let's put this formula out and that's it, and everybody will do it, and that's which they do. If you look at there's a lot in the book. That's what I'm trying to get at. It's not one of those things which are stupid, advertised everywhere on the net. Listen to me. I give you in 3 minutes, 20 seconds. You do these 3 things. Look at the sky, feel strong, and then you win every race you take part in. No, it's a solid classic of psychology, and there's a lot in that, including the look, the excellent analysis he makes of the Eastern culture, the way, for instance, in Korea, but also Asian countries, they dedicate themselves, they apply themselves. There's such a tough competition that people very young start very, very early, 6, 5, and they compete on that. And they go to bed sleeping with books in there to midnight, which is an exaggeration, which is too much. I mean, they put more training, more tutoring, more exercise, more learning on top of more learning. And that's how they rocketed. After the war, they had the Korean War. I mean, after the Second World War, it was the Korean War, and then they were very, very poor. And now the income, GDP per head, I think I was reading in The Economist, surpassed Japan. So among the highest in the world. And we all know the technology, the prowess, chip ball, and so on. So based on a lot of hard work, exercise, learning, more learning, practice. Terminal. 10,000 hours in 10 years, we'll talk again. I mean, I'm just first of all, we don't reach 3 hours. Then you need some ingredients like a good voice. I hate the way this sounds, but what can I do? Well, I can do. Somebody told me at one point. I speak from here somehow. The grave. You can otherwise train your voice, and some must do that. I'm thinking they have a BBC reporter that talks all the time. Now she's in Kiev, and she has a voice that needs a lot of training. Maybe too late now. And I'm wondering how on earth did they make her chief international correspondent when with that voice? She should not be on air, if you ask me. But others do the same thing. As for Fast and the Furious 6, 5, lousy. I've seen though scenes which prove my point on Attack of the Hollywood cliches, in which we can see, there's a robin outside, beautiful. We can see what this is all about. It's a cliche extended, and they do all kinds of things with cars, but is it smart? No.